How to create an account on eBay. On eBay's website, on the top left, click on register. Now we have an option to create an account using Google, Facebook, Apple, or by simply entering our information. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and your desired password. Once finished, click on create account. Great, our account is created and we're already logged into our eBay accounts. Over here on the top left, you'll see that it says hi with your first name. Click on account settings, and here you can change all kinds of different settings and configurations for your account. Now if we hover on our names again on the top left, we can click on our names, and here is our store. Right now we don't have any products on our store. As we can see, items for sale 0. Once we start listing items, we'll see them over here. Here you can also edit your profile, add a photo, add cover images for your store, and more. That is how simple it is to register for your eBay account.